Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for YouTube on your home screen. So let's get started right away. Now you can install the YouTube application if you're using your smartphone and then directly long press and drag your application to your home page. But if you're using your PC, then open up your web browser first and then type in youtube.com in the address bar and press enter. Now if you wish, then you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner, but you can also directly install the application shortcut without logging in. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then scroll down and tap on apps. From the apps page, tap on install the site as an app or the install YouTube button. Now if you're using Chrome browser, then you might need to hover over to save and share from the three dots menu and then click on create shortcut. You will now see the install button, so go ahead and tap on the install button. This will now begin the download and installation of the YouTube app. Once the installation is completed, it will automatically open up within its separate application window. Now just check on create desktop shortcut and click on the allow button and then click on yes from the notification box. And now your YouTube shortcut has been created on your homepage or desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install YouTube on your device homepage as a shortcut. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.